Hey folks, we're doing a full jet polish and repair. And this is the first stage, is the masking off. Since we're using buffing compound to get out some surface scratches, we're going to do the whole entire cabin, including the lavatory, and which has significant damage to the top surface as well as the drawers and doors at the bottom. Throughout this whole project, we're gonna let you in on what we do, how we do it, and yeah, step-by-step procedure. We won't take too much time because they've actually offered us to do this video just for the tutorial and coaching purposes. So yeah, for us, this is what we do now is Kyle's Wood Touch-Up and Repair. But what we're doing to promote the trade and to coach and train employees in a short time period, we're going to be able to teach this in a short few days, if not hours, the main principles of how you do things and what you're supposed to do, how it behaves. And so this is something you can't read in books. This is something that 30 years experience will only be able to tell you and teach you, and what procedures, what methods that you have to do to with every spot in this jet, that the problems that we come up with, how we're going to actually do it and make it look perfect. Yeah, just to let you know, this jet is from 2007. They've been the mechanics and maintenance crews here. They've been nice enough to remove all the seating for us, so we just have an open, empty cabin for us to work in, and it's just going to be fantastic. So enjoy the show. Like and follow us on TikTok. Like and subscribe on YouTube. And follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter.